Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet, and welcome to Junk Journal January, day 11. Today's prompt is magazines. This was a prompt I was really waiting for to dive in because I have such a big collection of magazine cutouts and old vintage stuff from, oh no, is it even vintage? Like old magazines from back in the days. And kind of a bunch of fashion magazines that I loved to read as a teen and that I now have just hold on to use in my junk journals and my art journals. So I did go through this enormous stack of boxes of magazines a while back and did kind of flip through and tore out a bunch of stuff that I wanted to keep, and then I did get rid of the rest, and that's the collection of the things that I thought would be interesting for some journaling projects and stuff. That's what I'm going through here and just figuring out what is the parts I want to use in this spread of today's junk journaling challenge. Do you also have a bunch of paper collections for your journaling projects, or is it just me? Do you go out and get new stuff when you want to work on a different journaling project? Let me know in the comments down below. I always kind of collect a bunch of materials and then I have to, from time to time, sift through them and get rid of a bunch of stuff because I always want to hold on to old magazines or just some free magazines you can find somewhere, old kind of postcards and stuff. I always think like, oh, that's pretty, that could be something I could use in a future project or journaling spread. So that's why I always hold on to a bunch of stuff. And this Vogue I did found on the streets. Again, someone put it out for free, and it will be, to be honest, it's a little bit of a sneaky kind of it's a spoiler in a way. It will be part of a other YouTube video that will be coming this year after we completed the Junk Journal January challenge. So stay tuned for that little creative adventure. And here I decided to use the Audrey Hepburn ripped out photo and this girl with the dress flying. I thought, on the one hand, I liked the outfit of the girl, and also the pose was kind of cool. I love movement in kind of photography, so I really wanted to make this a cool girl spread in a way. So yeah, I'm just cutting everything out. How are you all guys doing? I hope you are having a lovely Saturday. And how was your creative week? How is your Junk Journal January challenge going? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm really happy that it's the weekend now and I have some more time for my creative projects again. It's always nice to have more time at hand than when I'm working besides everything. So it will be a fun weekend filled with some creative projects and drawing ideas. I have a bunch of things I want to get out of my head and onto paper, and I can't wait to get out my sketchbook and start some drawing techniques and just experiment a bit, or maybe do some loose thumbnails so that I don't lose the idea. We will see how it goes. I just want to get a bit creative on this Saturday. I hope you are having a lovely day, and maybe this could have inspired you to grab your sketchbook or your junk journal and get creative as well, or even just grab a magazine you have laying around. Maybe someday it's just about playing with what you have at hand. Grab a pen and a magazine and get creative. It's always fun to do that. I love just taking a bold paint marker and having some fun with some magazine photography. I think it's just such an easy way to get creative. Don't limit yourself by thinking you have to have that perfect art supply or this amazing kind of thing to get into art or anything. It's just about getting creative. So grab the art supply or just the normal pen from your office and just create something today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on this creative adventures and many more creative fun and adventures coming very soon, hit the subscribe button down below. And until then, happy creating!